New video coming soon!
Keep watching on Cartoons. Do you think we are cute? Then like,
Subscribe!
hit the bell icon. Do not forget to share, please. See you then. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Today feels perfect for a little adventure. Adventure? That sounds exciting. Count me in. Wait for me. I don't want to miss the fun. Moo, you little troublemakers are planning something again, aren't you? Let's play a tiny prank on the hen. Just for fun.
What was that?
It was just a joke. Oh, really? Then maybe I should plan a little joke too.
Now let's see who laughs last.
What's tickling me? Achoo! Achoo! What just happened?
That's what happens when you start the jokes.
Okay. You got me this time.
Friends make every day an adventure.